On top inside Edo today, Alaghodaro LOC don meet as dem give better assurance say 2019 Alaghodaro go make sense. Local Organising Committee for 2019 Alaghodaro Summit don talk say the event go waka well unto say e go mark the third year wey Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don dey office. Special adviser to Governor on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osagie, talk say better plans don dey ground to fit see say Alaghodaro go make sense. E talk say Governor Obaseki go use this summit to fit see say im give account on top im administration give Edo people. Osagie talk say wetin sweet pass for Alaghodaro Summit wey dey come so na sake of say the summit dey put body on top how Obaseki administration don take deliver better democracy give the people wey dey Edo State. E talk say as this one follow for the reform wey dey shele for basic education, the one wey dey shele through Edo-BEST, technical education and job creation, the one wey be say over 100,000 people for Edo State don get different skills. E talk say the production center wey dey Edo e dey open gidigba for 24 hours and 7 days wey dey the week with better light, the one wey dey standby for micro, small and medium enterprise, the one wey dem dey call MSME unto their business wey dem dey do. Primary healthcare center for the state sef don wear ogbonge look unto say the people dey get better service unto health matter as road sef don dey ground gidigba for people to fit dey do their business. Crusoe Osagie come talk say for 2017 Alaghodaro Summit, e tanda put for Edo the investors wey dey the world as this one don make investment dey shele well for other sectors wey dey the state. For 2018 Alaghodaro Summit, e talk say the summit dem e be bring Edo people and the people wey dey stay Edo together. E come still talk on top the team that na the name wey dem give 2019 Alaghodaro Summit, the one wey be delivering to her people the next level. That na say they wan carry agenda and many ogbonge plans carry give the people of Edo State unto next level matter. E come talk say this name e don show say governor ready gidigba to do better and plenty work pass the one wey e don dey do before for the people wey dey Edo State, for farmers, market women, drivers, young people, people wey dey private sector, civil servants and even people wey no get work kpakpa for the state. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today as Alaghodaro LOC don meet and don give ogbonge assurance say 2019 Alaghodaro Summit e go make sense pass the other ones. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so on top inside Edo today na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge informate on top how e dey be for Edo State, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And obviously follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon brekete put for www.tlivemedia.com.